to start with wrapping our black yarn around our small pom-pom maker. You want to wrap it around until you don't have any gaps. You want to close that side. Take your yarn around to the other side and continue to wrap it around until it matches the thickness of the other side. Then pull it closed, and then you will take your scissors and you will cut up the center using your pom-pom maker as a guide. When you finish that side, turn it around and cut the other side. Then you will lift up all of your ends, and then you will pull your pom-pom maker apart for it to release the pom-pom. Then you will take an extra piece of yarn and you will tie it really tight. Tie it a few times to make sure that your pom-pom doesn't come undone. Then you will take your scissors and you will cut your pom-pom to make it even. Now we're going to take 4 pipe cleaners. We're going to twist them in the center. And then we are going to take some hot glue, put a pretty good dollop right there in the center of your pom-pom. Take the center of your pipe cleaners and place it on top of the glue. Now we're going to shape the legs. I just bent the ends and made a little crease for their leg to stand up to hold the body up. You can do your legs however you like. Now I'm going to take some glue and put it on the back of the eye. These are big eyes, so I'm going to use quite a bit of glue. Put your second eye on there. And aren't they so cute?